All right, guys, we are very excited to have today in the warehouse a man tossing bottles outside.
Thank that man.
And here we are with another box. Could be anything inside, we'll never know, except for somebody wrote solid oak skateboard with plastic bottom. I guess that's what it is. The excitement is real. Oh yeah, it's been a while. It's been too long.
Oh God.
Oh look, diapers.
More absorbent than regular loves. Wow, it even smells like diapers. Wow, look at this thing. We can't skate this. We gotta just put this on the wall.
That is incredible.
That is gonna be so slippery.
Which one's the top?
Slippery.
Oh.
That's the bottom.
This is just like Everslick. Do you guys remember Everslick?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
I feel like
It was
those boards
before it
never
almost existed.
broke. No, they redid them.
They did?
Yeah, I saw somebody at the skate park not too long ago with one.
There's a teeny little note. I'm going to read this. You see how this board is, okay? Hello, Braille team. Thanks for accepting my board submission. It's solid oak, so hopefully it will hold up to whatever abuse you guys throw at it. What?
Your accent, man.
I'm working on my accents. From where was it from? Could be Italy, could be ever. I'm going to Boston. Next week I'll be in Boston. Hope you enjoy it. May it bring minutes upon minutes of entertainment.
Oh, Aaron, did you fart?
No, it was Troy. Thanks again, you're very hopeful. No, it's not Boston. Thanks again, you're very inspiring, helpful, and entertaining. A rare combination. Paul V. You didn't know it was an instrument, now you do. Ow. So, Fetty, where doth art thou we put thy trucks?
Yes.
I don't know what to do with this.
I feel like we should just hang it.
In order to skate it, we need to cut holes in it. And by cut holes in it, I mean drill holes.
You
By
guys
drill
got
holes,
this.
I mean install trucks.
Hit it, fastest one ever.
Okay, I got him. I thought you were gonna show your head, Nigel. Somebody call Mario.
Did you just Michael Jordan me?
That's a moment we've never shared before, man. I appreciate that.
Go subscribe to Braille Army right now.
Hey, what if he turns it over and he drilled through his entire arm and didn't even notice?
That's what I
Aaron, get it together.
I don't think this board will give us our first Pokemon.
Well, we have here this very fine specimen of the world's best oak skateboard with cutting board material on the bottom for perfect slides and grinds.
Not gonna lie, I don't think this thing will break with that plastic on the bottom.
Braille symbolism on the top. Do you think the plastic on the bottom is gonna save it?
Yeah.
Like,
I
oh, it
think-
would have broke, but the plastic saved it.
I think we need to put this plastic on a normal skateboard.
Truth.
What do you guys wanna do? Full park skate? Regular game skate?
Regular game, flat ground. Ready?
It'll work eventually.
First, second, third, fourth, last.
Yeah, okay.
I think that's a letter for popping. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's okay. It's okay.
That's a letter for being too good.
Oh. You practicing son of a gun.
It flips surprisingly well.
Wait, Fetty's fully practicing. 2 letters. Give him 2 letters. I would never practice, but Fetty, no.
Oh no, you
No
would
way.
never.
Never.
What? That looked like it hurt.
A little
I
bit.
feel like you're composed. You're like trying to hold it in. Remember, take it easy.
Okay.
Take it easy.
Nice and easy. Nice.
I feel like we should be skating this board in Oakland.
Professor Oak.
Good.
Count it.
That was saucy.
He sort of fell off / stepped off. It's okay. That was my whole strategy. I'm out of tricks.
It's not that complicated, all right?
It's really hard to skate.
That's okay.
I don't see how you guys are doing that.
Gabe wants me to do a front shove.
Wow.
I swore the board was in the air and his feet were on the ground, and the next thing I knew, he landed.
Okay, Nigel, the moment of truth.
It's a weird board. It might happen.
That's actually really good.
Wow.
I think you broke the truck.
No, that's fine.
Leave it in the comments below. Do I give it easy trick or do I go hard?
Well, I'm out of tricks. It's too slippery.
The living room table. Oh, there it is.
That's my flicking.
Fork! Everybody's trying the tray flip.
I'm gonna call the executive rebate order on that. Perfect.
He cannot land an ollie, but he can do a 360. Monsters Inc. He almost did a tree flip. Yes, oak tree? What?
You're gonna hate me for this one.
Do it better.
Carlos Lastra out on a limb. Get it! Get out there! What? Get it! Out on a limb? This is made out of an oak tree.
He's really branching out hard for this one.
I don't even want to try this.
I know.
It's shockingly easy.
You kind of floated on that.
Yeah, I'm a floater.
I'm gonna have to agree with the Fetty controversy here.
Fetty, go full photosynthesis.
It's not a trick. That's my verdict.
Well, since Carlos tried to steal my trick, I'm gonna fire back. Going out on a limb with this tree board. First tree! Get out of here, that was perfect. 2 in a row. First go.
I'll give it to you.
What? The first one was perfect. What was wrong with it?
Yeah, I like the first one better than the second one.
The second one, at least you kept rolling.
These guys are barking at me. Get it! Get it!
That's all you get. That's all you get.
Daniel, it's forest fire.
Oh! Here's one more try.
Dolphin flip.
Better luck next tree.
All right, I'm just gonna branch off and do my own thing right now.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
I gotta do a real respectable trick.
Oh.
Gotta get limber for this timber.
No, okay, that was all right. That was all right.
How he landed that, he don't even know.
At least it was a real trick.
It's true. Oh, you got that.
All the practice on that Batman board really helped me out on that.
Makes no sense.
Why?
He just fatality'd.
All right, here we go.
Oh!
You got it. You got it. Well, that's all I had left. Now it's literally impossible to end the game.
Whack.
side big spin's a real wangdanga. It's hard. Little mother.
I know how you feel.
I just want to take out my aggression in this game of skate and just beat Carlos for once in my life.
My God.
Get him at his own game, people. Steal his trick. For Wakanda!
I really dig into this one now.
2 tries on offense, he can't land it. 1 try on defense, and it's there.
Yeah, of course.
What can we possibly do to beat this little man? There's this thing in life, it's called F-E-A-R, fear, and it will hold you back. If you have fear, you're not gonna give it your all. I'm so scared to land on this that it is fearfully holding me back. All I need to do is land 1 trick that Carlos can't land, and he's out. And I feel like I got the trick, I'm just scared, you know? Don't let fear hold you back. Let's go. See? It was just that 0.053% fear that just ended me.
You gonna let him do that to you, Kyro?
Fear, guys. Don't let him hold you back. If he wants to play dirty, let's slay some dirt. What was that? That's it, Carlos. Thank you, Riding Schrock! Victory Royale! It's okay. Good game. You played really well. Sportsmanship. It's been so long. I swear I haven't beaten you for literally ever. I want to thank my mom. I want to thank the academy. I want to thank my dad. And I want to thank all of you, the subscribers, the people that make us able to skate on these every single day. If you have something cool to send us, email us about it. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. And if you don't have a skateboard, get one. If you're not learning how to skateboard, start. We want you guys to start skateboarding. Click right here to watch the best videos you've ever seen in your entire life. Click right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com and start skateboarding. You guys gotta start skateboarding. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe, like, and leave that comment below. We appreciate every single subscription, like, comment. You guys are the absolute best.